The brain is the most complex and fascinating organ of the human body, an intricate network of interconnected neurons that regulates cognitive, sensory, and motor functions through the transmission of electrical and chemical signals. To keep the brain healthy and preserve its cognitive abilities, it is important to adopt a healthy lifestyle, which also includes a healthy and balanced diet. There are some foods that can be considered brain-friendly, as they provide essential nutrients that support cognitive functions, improve memory, and protect the brain from aging and some neurodegenerative diseases. But what are these foods? Let's go see them. Blueberries. Blueberries are small berries that are dark blue-purple, black, or red, depending on the variety. Native to northern areas of Europe and North America, blueberries generally grow in the woods of mountain areas, where the cold climate favors their growth. Blueberries are rich in nutrients essential for health, including vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin K, antioxidants such as anthocyanins, and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and manganese. Recent clinical research has shown that blueberries provide a number of benefits to the nervous system, particularly due to their potential neuroprotective effect. Anthocyanins can protect nerve cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and inflammation, and by improving cardiovascular health, they promote a better supply of blood and oxygen to the brain. Scientists have found that regular intake of polyphenol-rich fruits, such as blueberries, can delay the onset of brain aging and age-related neurodegenerative diseases, thanks to their strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. The high content of antioxidant substances in blueberries thus improves cognitive performance and memory at all ages, as well as protecting the brain in the elderly. Walnuts. Characterized by a hard and resistant shell that protects the internal seed, walnuts are the fruit of the white walnut, a long-lived tree whose origins date back over 9,000 years ago in the current areas of Asia Minor. At breakfast together with a yogurt, as a snack before lunch or dinner, but also to accompany main dishes such as pasta, rice, chicken, and salads, walnuts can be used in a wide range of recipes. Some studies conducted on animals and humans suggest that introducing walnuts into our diet improves cognitive function and reduces the risk and progression of cognitive impairment, dementia, and Alzheimer's disease. This is because walnuts contain a number of potentially neuroprotective components, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, an essential fatty acid that belongs to the omega-3 family, and which has been shown to exert neuroprotective, anti-inflammatory, and antidepressant properties. Alpha-linolenic acid improves memory and learning ability, and also increases the secretion of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a fundamentally important protein that not only ensures the maintenance and health of existing brain cells, but it is responsible for creating new ones. It is therefore a powerful stimulator of neuronal survival in pathological conditions, such as dementia, schizophrenia, and obsessive-compulsive disorder. Walnuts also appear to reduce the risk and progression of Parkinson's disease, stroke and depression, as well as cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. In fact, the Food and Drug Administration, the United States government agency that regulates foods and drugs, recommends a daily consumption of nuts equal to 30 grams. Fatty fish. Rich in high-quality protein, good fats, essential vitamins, and minerals, fish offer a wide range of health benefits when included in a healthy, balanced diet. Fish are one of the best dietary sources of omega-3 fatty acids, essential polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are commonly defined as good fats, thanks to their antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antithrombotic properties. They are found in greater quantities in fatty fish, that is, in that category of fish that contain more than 10% fat. Among these we find salmon, tuna, mackerel, trout and swordfish, as well as sardines, herring, and anchovies. It is good to remember that their fat content varies considerably, as it depends on the environment in which they live, the season of capture, and the age of the specimen. Consuming omega-3 is associated with improved learning, memory capacity, cognitive well-being, and blood flow in the brain. Epidemiological and preclinical studies indicate that consumption of omega-3 can slow cognitive decline and prevent the progression of some neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. According to a study conducted by a group of researchers from the University of Lyon, Docosahexaenoic acid in particular, a polyunsaturated fatty acid from the omega-3 series, appears to reduce the accumulation of inflammatory cytokines, which we remember are partly involved in the pathogenesis of diseases such as Alzheimer's. Not only that, this type of polyunsaturated fat seems to counteract the formation of amyloid plaques and protect the brain from oxidative stress, which triggers the death of neurons. Overall, docosahexaenoic acid, thanks to its neuroprotective properties, could preserve brain health and offer valid support against neurodegenerative diseases. According to the guidelines of the American Heart Association, organization committed to the fight against cardio-cerebrovascular disease, healthy adults should consume at least 2 servings of fatty, non-fried fish per week. Green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are a large family of vegetables with a high chlorophyll content, a green pigment present in almost all plants, which has the task of absorbing sunlight and allowing photosynthesis. In the group of green leafy vegetables we find cabbage, lettuce, spinach, beets, and many others. Rich in vitamins and minerals, and very low in calories, leafy green vegetables can help keep your brain healthy. According to a study conducted by some researchers on an elderly population in the American community, consuming 1 portion of green leafy vegetables a day can help slow down cognitive decline with aging. Their rate of decline was equivalent to being 11 years younger than those who rarely or never consumed leafy greens. The neuroprotective effects of these vegetables appear to be due to the presence of lutein, folate, beta-carotene, and vitamin K1, also called phylloquinone. The latter, in addition to being widely known for its role in blood coagulation, intervenes in the metabolism of the central nervous system, and in particular in the synthesis of sphingolipids, a class of lipids present in high concentrations in the membranes of brain cells. Recent research has highlighted a correlation between alterations in sphingolipid metabolism and cognitive decline linked to aging and neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's disease. Higher levels of vitamin K1, however, have been associated with better cognitive and behavioral abilities among geriatric patients. Adding a daily serving of leafy green vegetables to your diet can therefore be an easy way to contribute to brain health. In conclusion, we have seen how nutrition plays an important role in maintaining brain health, improving cognitive functions, and reducing the risk of the onset of some neurodegenerative diseases.